All right, good morning. So we are here in the city of Stanton. Brecky Club hosted this BMW meet here. So we're gonna check it out. But you know what? Let's get in the air. The only other downside to having this drone per se is that it doesn't have a built-in mic. Instead, you have to buy a DJI mic. But get this guy disconnected and get back in the air. Let's get it. All right, so crash landed, and you are Geo, and what is this for again?
For EDO.
EDL, and that's your brand, right? I know we were talking about that before. I was still in the air.
It's
but,
for our company right here.
On the other side. Nice. Yeah. So it's just basically scan this, and the raffle is
at 9:30.
Okay, so it's today.
Yeah, today.
Oh, sick with it. Okay, and then you get an air freshener and everything. Support the brand and everything right there. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna scan this right now, and then I guess 9:30 we're gonna stay here for a little bit. So we'll check this out, and we'll see if we win. Okay, so raffle number 392. Apparently they have a raffle going on, so that's pretty cool. I hope you guys are enjoying that aerial footage. Honestly, I'm the only one here with the drone, so it makes me stand out. Just super cool. Tu sabes. BBS on a BMW is probably the most sexiest thing ever, because BMWs come stock with BBS, believe it or not. Well, at least they have the BBS design wheels. Correct me if I'm wrong, comment down below. But TEs, they look clean. TEs can go on anything. TE the world. I feel like TEs need to stay on Japanese cars though, but still pretty cool. Walking around everything. So I did talk to the guy who actually runs the Brecky page, and he did say like he wants some aerial footage, that he's gonna send some cash money. Not too sure how much, not too sure what's his plan, but you know, I'll DM him some. I'll drop a file for him for sure for later on, so that way he can post those up. See my drone footage on a car page. So this is the thing that they were talking about. Ooh, Evos. I heard a bunch of guys talking about Evo, and I'm like, there's no Evos over here, but this thing is dusty, and I felt bad for driving a dusty looking car. Then again, I think these cars sit here. So let's see here. Oh, look at that trunk, dude. Carbon fiber, big wing, Evo 10, Evo 9. Wow, that's pretty sick. This one's obviously driven. These two are probably not. Maybe not. I mean, that one's expired tag, so I'm for sure that one's sitting here. Continental signs. Don't know if that's theirs, but cool day, cool vibes, cool whips. Just because it's an M3 Tesla doesn't mean that it is an M3. HREs though, right? That's pretty cool. Kind of turned this into a vlog a little bit. Gotta get out of the sky, walk around, see what's up, and of course maybe even take some photos. There you go. That's some BBS's on there. That's clean. Sexy. The infamous street sweeper. You guys seen in the air, man. Getting some amazing shots with this thing. Kind of just, oh, I guess there is somebody else with the drone. You copycatter. But it's alright. I was in the air, now he's in the air. Let's see here. Who is it? These little things you can literally fly from your car, so that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll have a what? Maybe we'll have a drone battle. Alright, comment down below, is this real carbon fiber or not? It's really hard to tell. There is a little bit of a carbon blemish over here, but camera can't pick it up. The light sparkle on it's amazing, but I don't know. The weave looks like it's cleared. I don't think it's a wrap. That looks sick. Cool. There are some familiar BMWs here. Cars I've been here before, so they're kind of sit here at the shop, which is, I don't even know the name of the shop here, but now that just clicks so much gears in my head. The guys who own the shop are the ones doing the raffle. Oh, I get it. Wrong time for a speech. Now it's clear.
Doesn't want the raffle. It's okay. Where's Dylan? I'm right here. Oh, Dylan, there you go. Yeah. All right, thank you for coming by. You guys have a good time. Yes. All right, awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So we are gonna do raffles. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, welcome, and thanks for putting this together, Dylan. And then thanks my staff, Tiffany, and also Giovanni.
Everybody's behind.
Right. Guys, come on in. Get closer. Get more intimate, please. We got something to give away.
That's what she said.
Tiffany here is gonna rough to. Let me see. She's gonna do the.
I believe it's cleaners that they're giving away. I forgot what the prices were, but something of that stuff. But still, cool, support and everything. I tell you, if we all just subscribe and follow each other, we'd all be rich and famous.
Our first number is 392.
Flashback.
Okay, so raffle number 392. Hey, that's me.
Yeah?
Yeah, legit. Right, so.
I didn't know my phone needed this. Your car will need it, for sure.
Do you mind if I take a picture of you?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, next number.
That one and then
But I'm gonna require an extra quart. No, I'm just kidding.
Right. No, it's cool.
Oh, dude, that's so sick.
Motor oil,
Our next number is
high gloss shine detail, and that one too. A little.
Yo, I literally need a quart of my oil right. A quart of my oil right.
This is Phase Ed Music. This is Phase Ed Music.
Next week, I'm not sure what next week is.
Ouch. I think it's right here. Nice wheels on this one, really nice. Oh my goodness. A couple casual lowriders cruising by. Oh damn, there's more than a couple. It's like 4 of them in a lowered Civic. Okay. M5 V10 right there. John Wick, there's so many of those M5s, or at least the 5 series. are crazy sounding, man. The V8s got Keith out here cooking and everything. Hell yeah, gonna get some breakfast. Guess that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this drone footage, flying all over the place. Shout out to Brekkie Club hosting it over here. And I guess I found out the guys who own this EOD, so they followed. I was literally the first number, so that was pretty cool. But yep, till the next video, stay safe and stay chill.